The other one does burn, the Bang& and Bear, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it does, but beauty is pain, okay? I'm gonna use this one, like I said, is the double dose from NYX, and then I'm gonna use the Fenty Hot Chocolate, and I might top it off with the Anastasia um Hollywood. I think it's Hollywood, something like that. I might top it off with that, but I'm not sure because I think Hollywood might go really good with this look. Dry out my lips first, just to make sure we ain't got no oils in there. This is the Fenty Hot Chocolate. You could honestly stop there. I mean, that's a cute little look. However, I'm not. So I had got the minis. This one is Pure Hollywood, and then this one is Kiss. Kiss is a little bit more pink. I am going to go in with the Pure Hollywood. Like I said, I kind of want something a little simple.